Niggas told me get on that drill shit. I said, alright, respectfully. I'm off the yacht, got a lot on my mind. Time is money, and if you don't get it, you wasting my time. After I fuck, she tryna cuff, bitch, you out of line. Get out of here. Blowing my phone up, calling me crying, get off my line. Get out of here. Cause I am a demon, long as I'm breathing. Don't want your heart, you can keep it. Bitches that tell you they love you, they scheming, capping, don't even mean it. But I don't believe it, all of them treaches, that's why I just fuck it and leave it. I just stay loyal to money and music and all of the guys that I be with. But back to the real, just bought me a vet and still ain't signed to a deal. Niggas be signed and broke, damn, can't even get out of your deals. I'm paranoid, one hand on my gun, other hand on the wheel. Don't like how he moving, tell him to chill, my hitter ready to kill. So stop all that tough shit, black, you only echo for pill. When I hit the bros up, niggas is sober, ready to drill. No, I don't have to, but if I have to, fuck it, I will. And all of them niggas you see me within, you see me with still. The queen of my city, I am a big deal. It's red life for life, but I fuck with the rips still. Glock on my hips still. And when it come to this rat shit, I let my pen spill. They know I been ill. Hop in them V's, pockets on G's, I'm still good in the P's. Run up a dice game, who got the bank? I'm betting 20 the least. Told her to slide, her hand on my thigh, she feel a brick in my jeans. Tell her mama don't try, I got the stick in my jeans. Somebody BM, hit my DM, I had to leave on scene. And she not a regular bitch, but that don't mean nothing to me. But if you talking about money, then fuck it, cause that means something to me. You gotta get to the bag, fucking with me, fuck do you mean? Hop on a plane, out with the gangs, we in the land of slide. I hit up one of my hoes when I land, tell her to meet me at high. Foreign cars, big black trucks, we got them hammers inside. And all of my niggas on timing, pussy just know that we got it. Them niggas was trying to rob me, my shooter he cocked it and popped it. Niggas don't know my body, who you thought you was lying? My guys leave you unconscious, dummy, that's not a threat, that's a promise. You see a man that foreign, just know it's some niggas behind it. And it's some hitters beside it, and it's some hitters in front. And they pulled up, clip on donut, big drum, ready to dump. I swear this not what you want, 10 rounds, man down, fuck it, it's up. I ain't even see what happened, I'm just shipping my cup. Y'all be begging these hoes, whenever I see them, they ready to fuck. You can ask Mark if I'm capping, I told that nigga it's magic. Bringing them racks in, I'm about action, ain't no chillin', relaxing. I've been restless, other investments, but I'm still killing this rap shit. 3 things I hate, a liar, bills, and paying my taxes. No time to play, can't cuff no chick, they all distractions. Never going broke up backwards, if I did it, I did what I had to. I just got back in my bag too, just put a $500,000 in my stash too. Let's get it, fuck you talking about? Getting money respectfully. Niggas try to say, yo, we need that OMA back, man. I said, okay, like, what you mean? This shit is nothing, man. I walk and I talk, man. Don't ever play with me like this, man. Niggas told me do a drill beat, man. I said, fuck it, I'ma do a drill beat then. You know what I mean? It's Brooklyn. It's red life.